How to update Instagram. So now here we are in the App Store. If you are in Android, you want to go into your Play Store, and from here you want to search for Instagram. This is the most basic way on how you can update your Instagram. So you simply need to find the Instagram app in here in the Play Store or App Store. And if you have the update button available, you want to make sure that you tap on it and update the app. This is the most effective and simplest way. Another thing that you can do if this doesn't work for you is that you can go into the settings of your phone right here. In your iOS or your Android, you can basically do the same thing. And from here, you simply need to go into general. And then from here, you want to go into iPhone storage. And from here, just find the Instagram app, which is right here. Tap on it and tap on offload app. And then tap on offload app right here again. And it will now basically uninstall Instagram. And then you would have a reinstall button here. So you want to tap on it again to reinstall. And that would basically update your Instagram because it will download it again. So basically, it's just uninstall and reinstalling right here on iOS. And for Android, is that you basically do the same thing. Find Instagram in your settings, and from there you can clear cache or clear data. And then after that, you want to load Instagram and make sure that you don't have the update button on your Play Store. Or even better is that you can uninstall the Instagram app as a whole on your phone and then install it back again on the Play Store. So yeah, that's how you do it.